Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 10 subject maths 1 chapter number 5 probability. In that we are going to study about probability of an event. We will see some examples in practice set 5.4. In that first example is, if two coins are tossed, find the probability of the following events: getting at least one head and getting no head. At least one means one or more than one. At the most one means one or none. If two coins are tossed, then sample space is two coins are tossed, then whether there may be head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. These are the possibilities in sample space. Therefore, number of yes is equal to 4. Now, getting at least one head. First, let A be the event where at least one head turns up. Then A is equal to means event A contains at least one head. At least one head. Head head, head tail, tail head. Therefore, number of A is equal to 3. In TT there is no head. Therefore, probability of A, we have to find out probability of each event. Probability of A is, there is formula, number of elements in event A upon number of elements in sample space. That is, number of A is 3 and number of yes is 4. Therefore, probability of event A is 3 upon 4. Now, second condition is getting no head. Let B be the event of getting no head turns up. There is no head in event A, means select only TT from sample space. Therefore, number of B is 1. Now, again find probability of B. Probability of B is number of B upon number of yes. Number of B is 1 and number of yes is 4. Therefore, probability of B is 1 upon 4. Okay. Second example, if two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of the following events. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. The digits on the first die is greater than the digits on the second die. Now, two dice are thrown simultaneously. Therefore, sample space is 6 6 are 36. It is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. These are the possibilities in sample space. Therefore, number of yes is 6 6 are 36. Now, first condition, let event A is the sum of the digits on the upper face is at least 10. event A, sum of the digits on the upper face means sum of these two numbers is at least 10. At least 10 means more than 10 also. At least 10 means 1 plus 1, 2 like this. 3 plus 6, 9. 5, 9. 4 plus 6, it is 10 means 4, 6. 4, 6, then 5, 5. More than 10 also. 5, 6. 6, 4. 6, 5. And 6, 6. These are the possibilities in event A. Therefore, number of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, find the probability of A. Probability of A is number of A upon number of S. Number of A is 6 and number of S is 36. Divide by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. Therefore, it is 1 upon 6. Therefore, probability of A is 1 upon 6. Okay. Now, second condition is let B be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper face is 33. B is the event of getting sum of the upper faces is 33. Now, highest sum of the upper face is 6 plus 6, it is 12. Then there is not possibility of sum of the digits on the upper faces will be 33. Therefore, set B is an empty set or null set phi. Therefore, number of B contains no elements means 0 elements. Now, find probability of B is number of B upon number of S. Number of B is 0 and number of S is 36. Therefore, probability of B is 0. Now, third condition is let C be the event that the digits on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. C is the event. Digit on the first die is greater than digit on the second die, means first number is greater than second. 2 1 like this, 2 1 like 3 1 3 2, 4 1 4 2 4 3, 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4, 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 and 6 5. These are the possibilities in event C. Therefore, number of C is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now, find probability of event C is number of C upon number of S. Number of C is 15 and number of S is 36. Now, dividing by 3. 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6 means 5 upon 12. Therefore, probability of event C is 5 upon 12. Okay, got it all of you? Okay. Now, we will see next example, third example. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of event that the ticket drawn shows as even number and shows a number which is multiple of 5. Sample space, yes, there are 15 tickets in a box. Therefore, sample space, yes, 15 tickets in a box means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This is sample space. Number of S is equal to 15. Now first condition, let A be the event that the ticket drawn bears an even number. Select even number from sample space. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Therefore, number of A is equal to 7. Now find probability of A. It is number of A upon number of S. Number of A is 7 and number of S is 15. Therefore, probability of A is 7 upon 15. Now event B is the ticket drawn bears a number which is multiple of 5. B. Event B is multiple of 5, means 5, 10 and 15. 5, 10 and 15. Therefore, number of B is 3. Find probability of B. Number of B upon number of S. Number of B is 3 and number of S is 15. Divide by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So we get 1 upon 5. Therefore, probability of B is 1 upon 5. Got it? Okay. Now, example number 4 is same as last example in practice set 5.3. Example number 5. Example number 5 is a card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card is an ace and a spade. Sample space. Fifth example is there are 52 cards in a playing cards. Therefore, number of S is equal to 52. Now, let A be the event that the card is drawn an ace. There are 4 aces with 2 colors and 4 shapes. Therefore, event A contains or number of A is equal to 4. And find the probability of A. There are 2 colors, red and black. 2 colors in playing cards and 4 shapes. One is heart, diamond, spade and club. These are the 4 suits. Therefore, number of A is equal to 4. Now, find probability of A. Therefore, probability of A is number of A upon number of S, that is 4 upon 52. Divide by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. It is 1 upon 13. Therefore, probability of A is 1 upon 13. Now, let B be the event that the card drawn is spade. There are 13 cards of each suits, means spade, club, diamond and heart. These are the 4 suits in playing cards and 13 cards are spades. Therefore, number of B is equal to 13 and find the probability of B. Number of B upon number of S. Number of B is 13 and number of S is 52. Dividing by 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52. Means 1 upon 4. Therefore, probability of B is 1 upon 4. Got it all of you? Okay. Thank you very much.